Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on October 14th. Battle of Hastings -1066. On October 14, 1066, William, Duke of Normandy, defeated King Harold II of England at the Battle of Hastings. The fight took place on Senghenydd Hill near Hastings, where Harold was killed, changing England's future. William became known as William the Conqueror. His rule brought new laws, language, and culture to England. This victory marked the start of Norman rule and a new chapter in English history. Robert the Bruce defeats Edward II to 1322. On October 14, 1322, Scotland's King Robert the Bruce won a great victory over England's King Edward II at the Battle of Old Byland. Using smart tactics and the land's advantage, he surprised the English army. The win boosted Scottish pride and helped secure independence. It became one of Scotland's most celebrated military successes, strengthening their fight for freedom. Trial of Mary, Queen of Scots, 1586. On October 14, 1586, Mary, Queen of Scots, was tried in England for plotting to overthrow her cousin, Queen Elizabeth I. Letters and secret messages were used as evidence against her. Though Mary defended herself, the decision was already made. She was found guilty and later executed. Her trial remains a famous moment in royal history and political power struggles. Senghenydd colliery disaster -1913. On October 14, 1913, an explosion tore through the Senghenydd coal mine in Wales, killing 439 miners. A buildup of flammable gas caused the deadly blast underground. Rescue teams struggled in dangerous tunnels filled with smoke. The tragedy shocked the nation and led to stronger mine safety laws. It remains one of Britain's worst mining disasters. First flight faster than the speed of sound -1947. On October 14, 1947, U.S. Air Force Captain Chuck Yeager became the first person to break the sound barrier. Flying the Bell X-1 rocket plane over California, he reached Mach 1.05 faster than 1,225 kilometers per hour. This achievement proved supersonic flight was possible and opened new doors in aviation. Yeager's courage made him a world hero and aviation legend. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.